simplify the square root of 5 plus the square root of 6 quantity squared. Now we can think of this as a binomial squared, and then use the corresponding formula then for squaring a binomial which has a plus sign in between. To do that, we'll take our first term and square it. So square root of 5 quantity squared plus 2 times the product of our first term, the square root of 5, times our second term, the square root of 6, plus this last term, the square root of 6, quantity squared. Now let's clean this up. The square root of 5 squared is 5, plus our middle term. Here we'll multiply our radicand values, those numbers underneath the square root radicals, to get 2 times the square root of 30. Last term, plus the square root of 6, quantity squared, is 6. Combining our like terms, 5 plus 6 is 11. So let's write that simplified form as 11 plus 2 times the square root of 30.